In 2008, Creative IT started their remarkable journey with a new vision.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
From the beginning, apart from all the challenges, we always keep growing.
We are taking one step forward every day, and in 16 years, we have reached the global platform.
There is no alternative to being skilled, so why not start today? Hi Nila.
She is busy. No time for talking.
As a part of Creative Business Group, we are committed to provide world-class IT training.
We are Creative IT Institute Uttarbran, here to celebrate the 16 years of success. Happy anniversary!